presenting the Ram 2017 ProMaster City SLT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include 4 speakers, AM/FM radio, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, media input hub, USB and O, radio, Uconnect 5.0, air conditioning, power steering, power windows and remote keyless entry. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.